Hi, I'm Melissa, and today I am going to be doing my unboxing of my Super Sassy Earring Club. So if you've never heard of this before, this is a monthly subscription where you get super fun paper earrings delivered to you monthly. It is $9.99. Introducing Super Sassy Friends. So this month, I think they're introducing their mascots for the company. It's pretty new. So this is for July. It's number 8. And how this works is they do a different illustrator each month, and you can pop out these earrings. Every month also comes with hooks. So I'll show you. There are the hooks, and then you'll be able to use them with all the different earrings. So this month there are hot dogs, super cute. This would have been fun for 4th of July, like 4th of July popsicles, hot dogs and hamburger barbecues. There's our Bigfoot. She is not earrings. And then on the other side here, sunglasses. Those are super cute. And then it looks like little flower wreaths. So kind of fun for summer. If you've watched any of my other videos, I mean, I think you're always going to get something that you kind of like. Like, I think the hot dogs are really fun, and these sunglasses are super cute. But there are definitely months where you're going to like love it. Like the last couple months, I've absolutely loved the designs. This one, I would say, oh, also I didn't realize this is cute. The ketchup and mustard are earrings too. So this is fun for summer. I definitely like the sunglasses, and I definitely like the hot dogs. So these are fun. If you are part of the Super Sassy Earring Club, let me know what you think of July and what are your favorites.